Let's assume that you've ran the startup procedure, you do not have any faults, and you've just came off of a dead battery scenario. Somebody's left the lights on, somebody's left the inverter on, etc., etc. But you've had to jump start the truck, and all of a sudden you have no faults, but your spooling arm doesn't work, or your drum doesn't work. So let's go through the procedure on how to fix this. If you have one in your possession, you're going to want to get the laptop with the required software and the special cord. If you do not have one of these, contact Eclipse Wireline and we will get you set up with one. The cord goes in as follows, through this port, into the laptop. Now we're going to open up the service tool. If you need assistance with this, you can contact us and we will go through there. Let's assume that the steering is not working. We're going to come over here to the left. We're going to hit our steering parameters. And as you can see, they're all zeros.